Dear students, we have completed chapter number 14, Some Natural Phenomena. I hope you students have gone through the video and also read the chapter thoroughly. Now we'll be discussing question and answer and exercise. The first question which we are going to discuss is MCQ. In that, first, when a glass rod is rubbed with a piece of silk, the piece of silk gets. Answer is option number D, negative charge. Second, an electroscope can be used for. Answer is option number C, detecting an electric charge. Third, lightning is accompanied with. Answer is option number A, large amount of electric current and very high temperature. So answer is option number A. Fourth one, the lithosphere consists of. Answer is option number D, Earth's crust and upper mantle. We have already discussed that the lithosphere consists of these two. So, fourth answer is D option. Next, we'll be moving to fifth. Plate tectonic is a theory about. Answer is option number C, structure of the surface of the earth. So I'll be repeating the answers once again. The first answer is option number D, negative charge. Second answer is option number C, detecting an electric charge. Third answer is option number A, large amount of electric current and very high temperature. Fourth answer is option number D, Earth's crust and upper mantle. Fifth answer is option number C, structure of surface of the earth. So this is first 5. Now we'll be discussing next MCQ, the sixth one. A sudden movement or a fracture in the earth crust is called. Answer is option number A, earthquake. Okay. Seventh, seismology is a branch of science that concerns with. Answer is option number B, earthquakes. Again, 6th and 7th, both the answer are earthquakes. 8. A lightning conductors provide an easy path for a charge. 2. Answer is option number D, deep underground. Answer is option number D, deep underground. 9th, the epicenter of the earthquake is. Answer is option number A, a point vertically above the focus on the surface of the earth. So this is 9th one. I'll repeat. 6th is answer is option number A, earthquake. 7th answer is option number B, earthquakes. 8th answer is option number D, deep underground. 9th answer is option number A, a point vertically above the focus on the surface of the earth. Now the 10th MCQ, lightning happens because of. Answer is option number B, transfer of massive electric charges. So these are MCQs. The 6th answer, I'll repeat. Answer is earthquake. 7th is earthquake. 8th is deep underground. 9th is a point vertically above the focus on the surface of the earth. And 10th one, answer is option number B, transfer of massive electric charges. Now we'll be discussing about match the following. The first is natural phenomena. Answer is D option, sunrise. Second, lightning. Answer is option number A, electric discharge. Third, focus. Answer is option number E, earthquake. Fourth, earthquake. Answer is option number B, Richter scale. Fifth, thunder. Answer is option number C, lightning. So, this is the answer. And students, I'll repeat, you don't have to write MCQ and match in the notebook. Now we'll be discussing very short answer type question. From here, you have to write in the notebook. We'll be discussing very short answer type question. The short form I have written VSA. The first one, what is charging by friction? Answer I have written there itself. I'll read slowly so you can understand that. Charging by friction by rubbing one material with another. What? Charging by friction is by rubbing one material with another. Second, what is earthing? I have written the answer again there itself. I am reading it twice so you can write. When a body comes in contact with earth either directly or indirectly, then the charges are discharged to the earth. This is called earthing. I'll repeat. Answer number 2. When a body comes in contact with earth either directly or indirectly, then the charges are discharged to the earth. This is called earthing. Okay. Now, next answer is again I have written there only. The question is, what is the outer covering of the earth called? Answer is crust. But students, you have to write the answer in a sentence. The outer covering of the earth is called crust. Now we'll be moving to fourth answer. Why is it unsafe to hold an umbrella during a thunderstorm? Students, the answer is on page number 212. The answer is on page number 212. Okay, students, on page number 212, see the sixth point. This is sixth point. I have written very short answer 4. So, the answer is the metal pointed end of the umbrella could attract a lightning strike, especially if it is at higher level compared to the other objects in your immediate surroundings. So this is very short answer 4. It is on page number 212, sixth point. On the same paragraph, long answer 4 is there, but this is very short answer 4 and it is the sixth point. The metal pointed end of the umbrella could attract a lightning strike, especially if it is at the higher level compared to other objects in the immediate surroundings. Now we'll be moving to fifth answer. What is seismology? Student, the answer is in the keywords on page number 218. See the second keyword, seismology. I have written very short answer 5. And short answer 4, plate tectonic is also there. So please mark these two answers. Very short answer 5, that is seismology, and short answer 4, plate tectonics. Next we'll be discussing short answer type question. The first, why is earthing important to us? Students have written the answer there itself. You have to write, earthing is important to us because it protects building from lightning. Answer is because it protects building from lightning. Second, under normal circumstances, air is conductor or insulator of the electric current. The answer is insulator. Third, name the broad region into which the internal structure of the earth can be classified. So answer is, internal structure of the earth are the crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. What? The crust, the mantle, the outer core and the inner core. Now, fourth answer I have already discussed. We'll be moving to the fifth. Answer is on page number 214. What is the question? What are seismic waves? Answer is on page number 14. See the second point. The vibration caused by the earthquake travel in the form of waves within the earth or along the surface of the earth. These waves are known as seismic waves. On page number 14, second point. Now we'll be discussing long answer type question, LA. Students, in long answer question, wherever the diagram is there, compulsory you have to draw the diagram. The first one is on page number 206. What is the question? Explain with example how an object can be charged by friction. Open 206. In this you have to draw the diagram also. So on page number 206, see the topic charging by object. Usme see charging by friction. But first line you have to write, an electrically neutral charge object can be charged by friction. The first is charging by friction. This whole paragraph you have to write up till acquires a negative charge and you have to draw the diagram. So long answer 1, page number 206, charging by friction. Now we'll be moving to long answer 2. Student, it is on page number 209. What is the question? What is an electroscope? Draw a label diagram and explain how it works. On page number 209, see on the top transfer of charges. And that, see the second line. A device that works on the principle is the electroscope, which is used to detect and measure electric charge. It consists of two very thin metal strips connected to a metal knob by metal rod. Then how it works? In that, all the 3 points you have to write. The first, a charged object is made to touch the knob of the electroscope. Second, charge is transferred to a thin metal strip through a metal rod. Third, metal strip repels each other and separate from each other. The electroscope can therefore be used to check if the body carries a charge. And after that you have to draw the label diagram. So page number 209, long answer 2, and you have to draw the diagram also. Now next, answer number 3, with the help of simple diagram, explain how a lightning conductors can protect a building from a lightning strike. Answer is on page number 211. See on the top of the page. See the topic lightning conductors. Whole paragraph you have to write and you have to draw the diagram also. Students, you can draw the diagram which is given in the textbook, or you can also draw the diagram which was there in the video. The simpler diagram is also there in the video when I was explaining you the topic lightning conductors. So choice is yours. So answer number 3 is page number 211. Whole paragraph of lightning conductors you have to write. Now we'll be discussing long answer 4 is on page number 212. What is the question? List 3 steps that we can take to protect ourselves from being struck by lightning during the thunderstorm. On page number 212, see on the top, long answer 4 I have written, and 3 points you have to write. Take a shelter indoors. Second, do not run across a large open field or high grounds. And third, do not touch electrical appliances and metal plumbing lines, taps, etc. during a thunderstorm, because such contact could create an easy path for the lightning strikes through you, because these objects are good conductor of electricity. This is your long answer 4. Next we'll be discussing long answer 5. Long answer 5 is on page number 213. What is the question? Draw a diagram and explain the internal structure of the earth. Students, you have to write the answer like this. The internal structure of the earth consists of the crust, the mantle, the core, and the inner core, and you have to explain the parts. Then after explaining all the parts, you have to draw the diagram, and in the diagram you have to label the parts only. So this is how you are going to write. First you will be writing the parts and explain them. For example, I'll tell you about the crust. The first part is crust. Crust is the thin outer covering of the earth. Crust is the thinner at ocean floors than at the continent. Second, the mantle. Then third, then fourth. And after writing about all the parts, you have to draw the diagram. Okay. Now, question number 6. Give a simple diagrammatic representation of how an earthquake occurs. The students' answer is on page number 214, and you have to draw the 3 diagrams only. Draw 3 diagrams. Page number 14, see it is written diagrammatic representation of how an earthquake occurs. And next, seventh question you don't have to do. So total long answers 6 are there, and in most of the cases you have to explain and draw the diagram. So students, write the answer properly. I'll repeat, this is your physics portion, so you have to write in that notebook only. So thank you students, and hope the things are clear.